Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Kryll.io. Kryll.io is a platform designed for cryptocurrency trading automation. It allows users to create custom trading strategies using a visual interface without needing to write code. So this website can help you with your cryptocurrency wallet. You can see their mission. You can see the layout of their website, and to join their website you simply start by going on the right top corner where it says join now, press that. And it will lead you to connecting your wallet, and you would just connect your wallet. You even have an AI agent right here. You can see the pricing and another button to connect your wallet. This is the pricing. This is the free plan, shrimp, lobster, and all other plans. You have a bunch of tabs here. Your smartfolio connect your wallet. Your news hub to see what is doing good, what is not doing good. Your X-ray in-depth analysis coming soon. You have your rewards. And then you have your account, which you just make that account, and that's Kryll.io. Definitely try it out if you're into cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching.